Hey gang, thanks for tuning in to your review channel. So today we're doing a follow-up video. So if you saw my video on the Beamnova button machine, definitely check that out. I'll leave a link down below where you can see that whole tutorial, how to use this, what comes in the kit and everything else. But I want to talk to you about a little accessory that you can also order. It is these awesome button backs. So this kit comes with the plastic button backs. And if you saw that video, you'll see the buttons are all the plastic, the ones you pin on your back. These are plastic. But you can also order these pins as well, and these pins are like a shiny. Check this out. Those are cool, like a mirror, reflective, just shiny, really kind of cool button. And you can order these, and these are awesome. These come with 100 buttons, this kit here, and also the backs as well. Little cellophane covers that make the buttons as well, and also comes with the metal to make the actual button itself. So this kit is really awesome. I wanted to talk to you about that. So if you saw the button machine, definitely watch how to use it, but I'm going to talk to you about this button back itself. This is all made out of metal, and there's about 100 of them in this specific kit here, and you can see how they're all shiny. And these are really kind of cool. They're just different. I like them, the shiny back buttons, you know what I mean, little mirrors, and got that really cool look to them. You can see like a little rainbow happening. So I want to just make a quick follow-up video on this and just to show you about this specific button backs that you can actually order. So instead of the plastic ones, you can have an all-metal button, you know, and I'll put everything you see here. This extra kit, I'll leave a link down below. You can get these shiny back button kits. Comes with the cellophane. But I call them cellophane, but they're really like clear coating for the top of the button. When you make the buttons, that comes in the kit as well. So to make a button, so if you saw the video, you just do a cutout. So a cutout's real simple. You get this machine and this template, and this basically cuts out round buttons. You can make the templates yourself online. And again, watch the whole video for the tutorial, but I'll just make a quick one here to show you what I'm talking about. And I'm gonna make another button for you with the shiny button. So let's put that in the center. Here's our cutting machine. And let's just make sure it's centered. Hold down here and just go around in a circle. Let's get it out of the way. So you can see here, put that out of the way, you can see I have a cutout of a button. So there's the perfectly round circle that I'm going to use to make my button on my machine. So the machine's super simple to use, as you saw before. What you want to do is put in your crimping part here and this part here. Fits right inside perfect, just like you saw before. And then we're going to put our button part in the back of the machine. And this is the shiny part goes down, okay? You can see here, let's just make sure that's straight, okay? That looks good. We're going to put our graphic in here, right here, just like you see. And then we're going to get a piece of clear coating, and you put it on top as well. Like I said, make sure it's all straight and centered. And so first thing you want to do is crimp this part onto that first button part. So like I showed you before, really easy. All you have to do is just crimp down once, like that. And that's going to lock that in there. And then you can see the button like before disappear. You can see that it disappeared. And now we're going to apply the backing, okay? And that's just as easy as last time I showed you. You basically just press down on the machine, hold it down for a second, and let go. Now we're just going to slide it back. We're going to see, here is our button. Here you go. Perfect button right here. I actually like that. It really looks kind of cool. I love that. Here's the back, the shiny pin like I told you about. This snaps on the back. You can see the pin right there. Really easy to use. The only thing you do have to do, just so you know, on the side note, is that there's a little ring in here that you have to put the ring in. And it does come in the kit. This ring here goes in first. You have to use that ring metal, and it lifts it up a little bit more so the pin back sits up a little higher. That way it attaches it perfectly all around. And that's all you have to do. And that pin fits beautiful. It looks fantastic, and I absolutely loved how this came out. Check that out right there. That's a cool pin. This one I like a lot. Okay, that's it, guys. So I just wanted to make a quick video just to show you about this accessory kit with these shiny back pins. Really kind of cool. They call them, I think, mirror back, shiny back. I don't know. I call them wicked awesome. I'm not sure, but tell me what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this quick video and this quick tutorial and follow-up video. And I'll leave a link for this video, for the full unboxing and how to use this machine fully. And this machine is really awesome. I love the way it works. And this is a little ring here. I'll take that ring out again. You can see this ring was in this kit with this. And you have to put this ring in first. So don't forget to put that ring in. I forgot to mention at the beginning. So make sure you drop that ring in And you don't need this ring when you use the plastic ones. You only need this ring when you use the metal one. So that's what that ring is for. All right, guys. Like I said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell when you're done watching this. Definitely hit that notification bell. And also consider that super thanks. That super thanks is that little heart below that helps support my channel. Everything I raise for my channel goes back into the channel so I can continue doing more fun and exciting videos to teach you how to make awesome videos. And this is one of them. So I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you learned how to make regular buttons for the first video and how to add the mirror back buttons on the second video. And I appreciate your time as always. And I'll see you at the next one. And check out all these other fun videos as well, all around my channel. I do appreciate that as well. So let's get it. And I appreciate your time as always.